All right, so in today's video, I'm actually just going to be moving that Ring doorbell that's up there to the actual where the doorbell is. There's actually wires in the doorbell, so my tenants don't have to keep charging it, once a month or whatnot. So here are the two wires that are going into that doorbell. First thing you want to do is you want to unhook the wires. There were two screws that went into that doorbell, so I took those two screws off and unhooked the wires. Then you're going to see there's actually supposed to be two screws underneath in the Ring doorbell, just one. But I'm showing you this because this is a very particular type of screwdriver, Ring. There's really nothing that's going to be able to get that out besides those underneath the Ring doorbell. So then you want to go and unhook those two screws. Once you unhook those two screws, your backing of your Ring doorbell is going to be loose. So this is me showing you that I moved the back of the Ring doorbell, putting it right in between the two wires there. The two screws on the back of the Ring doorbell is actually where those wires are going to hook into. So you want to make sure that you unloosen those first, but here's where I screwed in the backing of the Ring doorbell, and then I unloosened the screws on the back of the Ring doorbell. And once you unloose those screws, you want to wrap the wire around that and then tighten those screws. That's how you're going to get power to that. Keep in mind, I did turn the power off, but I turned it back on for that, just to make sure I got the power right. But that's a little bit closer of showing the backing. Then all I'm going to do is just take that Ring doorbell and I'm going to put it up where the backing of the Ring doorbell is already secured. This screw goes underneath, as I'm showing you. You want to make sure that it fits snug, and then you want to put that screw back in. But that's pretty much it. It's all screwed in and tight. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more.